If you are looking for a way to make some extra money online, then you should consider typing jobs. They are easy to do and can be done from the comfort of your own home. Plus, there are plenty of typing jobs available in Kenya. In this video, I will show you 5 simple steps to get started with online typing jobs in Kenya.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
So, what is an online typing job? According to Wikipedia, typing is the process of writing or inputting text by pressing keys on a typewriter, computer keyboard, cell phone, or calculator. This means that online typing job is now applying the typing part of work online, typing online. So this is a job where you will be paid to type out various documents. These can include anything from transcribing audio files to, in fact, creating ebooks. I know you know what an ebook is. In fact, here are some of the most common types of online typing jobs in Kenya. The first one is audio transcription. So this is where you listen to an audio file and type out what is being said. So this can be anything from an interview to a speech. All you have to do is just listen and then type what they are saying. The other type of online typing job in Kenya is data entry. So data entry job involves entering information into a database or a spreadsheet. This could be anything from customer details to prices. So what happens is the client just gives you a list of a spreadsheet and then say, you need to transfer this to this place and that, just like that. The other one is copywriting. So copywriting is where you write marketing materials such as sales letters and website content. So this can be for a specific product or service or just, general copywriting. The other one is ebook creation. This involves typing out an ebook that will be sold online. This could be on any topic from cooking to software. So an ebook is actually an electronic book. So it's a book that you can read using your phone. Then there is editing and proofreading. So this involves checking documents for errors and making corrections. This could be anything from a school essay to, business report. Then the other one is web content creation. So this is where you create content for websites such as blog posts or product descriptions. Now, there are many different companies that offer online typing jobs. So there is sure to be something that fits your skills and interest. But before you get there, you need to learn how to get started. So the first step is to identify a typing skill you will enjoy or at least have an experience in. So one of the best things about online typing jobs is that there are so many different types to choose from. This means that you can find something that suits your skills and of course your interest. So if you are not sure what type of job would be right for you, think about the skills and experiences you already have. For example, if you are a fast typist, then an audio transcription job might be a good fit. Or if you have an experience with sales and marketing, then a copywriting job might be perfect. So step 2, find a reputable job site. So once you know what type of job you want to do, it's time to start looking for companies that offer them. The best way to do this, of course, is by searching online. Good place to start is by just searching for online typing jobs in Kenya, or just type data entry jobs in Kenya onto Google. So this will give you a list of companies that offer these types of positions. Another great way to find companies is through online job boards such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. So these websites allows you to search for specific types of jobs, and they also have ratings and reviews from other freelancers. So these can really help you weed out any unreliable or low-paying clients. Step 3, create a strong application. Now, once you've found a few companies that look promising, it's time to start applying for these positions. When doing this, be sure to create a strong application. So what's a strong application? So this application should include a resume, cover letter, and of course, samples of your work. That's if it's available. So this will give the employer a good idea of your skills and experience. It's also important to be clear about what type of job you are looking for, as this would help them match you with the right position. Remember, if you are using freelancing sites such as Upwork, you will have to create a complete profile. This should include your work history, education, and of course, skills. So the more convincing your profile is, the more likely you are to get hired. Step 4, start working and earning money. Once you've been accepted for a position, or once a client has accepted your proposal, it's time to start working. Now, of course, make some money. Be sure to read the job description carefully and only accept assignments you are confident you can deliver. Also, be sure to complete your work accurately and on time. Now, remember, this will help you build a good reputation with your clients and help you get more work in the future. While doing the work, strive to give more than you are paid for to increase your chances of being retained and, of course, of getting more assignment from the client. Step 5 was now it's time to get paid. So after you've completed the work, it's time to get paid. Most companies will pay through online methods such as PayPal or bank transfer, well known as wire transfer. If you are using freelancing site like Upwork, the money will be deposited into your Upwork account and then you can withdraw it whenever you want. In fact, you can withdraw directly to your M-Pesa, and of course all you have to do is just add M-Pesa as your payment method on Upwork. So that's it for me, guys. Those are the 5 simple steps you can take now to start earning online, doing online typing jobs. Of course, if you have any questions, please leave in the comment section, and of course I'll be there to answer them. Thank you and see you in the next video.